Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something truly special for you. A homemade strawberry jam recipe that is so simple, so fresh, and so full of flavor, you'll never want to buy store-bought jam again. If you've ever wanted to capture the sweet taste of fresh strawberries and enjoy it all year round, this recipe is for you. Not only is this strawberry jam incredibly delicious, but it's also healthier because you control exactly what goes into it. No artificial preservatives, no unnecessary additives, just fresh strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Plus, I'll be sharing some handy tips along the way to make sure your jam turns out perfectly every single time. By the end of this video, you'll be confident enough to whip up your own jam in under an hour. And I promise, once you taste it, you'll never look back. Let's start with what you'll need. This recipe is perfect for a medium batch, but you can easily scale it up or down, depending on how much you want to make. 1 kilogram of fresh strawberries. Make sure they're ripe, juicy, and fragrant. The better your strawberries, the better your jam. 500 grams of sugar. This not only sweetens the jam, but also helps preserve it. Juice of 1 fresh lemon adds brightness and helps the jam set naturally. That's it. Just 3 main ingredients, and you're on your way to a jar of homemade goodness. Step 1. Preparing the strawberries. First things first, give your strawberries a good wash. But here's a little trick I use. In a large bowl, add your strawberries along with water, a little baking soda, and a splash of vinegar. This helps remove any dirt, pesticides, or impurities, leaving you with perfectly clean fruit. Let them soak for about 15 minutes. Then drain the water and rinse the strawberries with clean water about 3 to 4 times. This step might seem extra, but it ensures your jam is fresh, pure, and safe to eat. Step 2. Removing the stems. Next, cut off the green stems from each strawberry. Make sure you remove just the stem and not too much of the fruit. We want every bit of that strawberry goodness in our jam. Step 3. Cutting the strawberries. Once the stems are off, chop the strawberries into halves or quarters depending on their size. This helps them cook faster and release their juices evenly. Step 4. Combining the ingredients. Place all your cut strawberries into a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Add the sugar and pour in the lemon juice. The sugar will draw out the natural juices from the fruit, and the lemon juice will help balance the sweetness while also acting as a natural preservative. Give everything a good stir until the strawberries are well coated with sugar. Step 5. Cooking the jam. Now, place your saucepan over medium-high heat and let the mixture come to a gentle boil. You'll notice the strawberries releasing their juices and the sugar dissolving into a beautiful syrup. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook slowly. Stir occasionally to prevent the jam from sticking to the bottom. This slow cooking process thickens the jam naturally and deepens the flavor. Step 6. Removing the foam. As the jam cooks, you'll see some white foam forming on the surface. This is completely normal. It's just air and natural fruit particles rising to the top. Use a spoon to gently skim it off. Removing the foam makes your jam clearer and gives it a beautiful finish. Step 7. Checking the consistency. Depending on the size of your strawberries and the amount of heat, cooking can take around 30 to 40 minutes. To check if your jam is ready, place a small plate in the freezer for a few minutes. Then drop a spoonful of hot jam onto it. Push the jam gently with your finger. If it wrinkles and holds its shape, it's done. If it's still too runny, cook for a few more minutes and test again. Step 8. Storing the jam. Once your jam has thickened to your liking, turn off the heat. While it's still hot, carefully pour it into sterilized glass jars. Make sure the jars are completely clean and dry before filling them. This is key to making your jam last longer. Seal them tightly, and once cooled, store them in a cool, dry place. What makes this recipe truly stand out is its simplicity. You don't need any fancy equipment or special ingredients, just fresh strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. By following these steps, you're learning traditional jam-making skills that have been passed down for generations. Plus, making your own jam is incredibly satisfying. You get to control the sweetness, adjust the texture to your liking, and enjoy something that's free from artificial preservatives. It's also a great way to use up strawberries when they're in season and at their sweetest. Another bonus, homemade jam makes for a thoughtful, personal gift. Put it in a nice jar, tie a ribbon around it, and you've got a perfect treat for friends and family. Tips for success. Use ripe strawberries. Unripe ones won't give you that deep, rich flavor. Don't skip the lemon juice. It helps the jam set naturally without commercial pectin. Stir regularly. This prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Store properly. Once opened, keep your jam in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. This strawberry jam is incredibly versatile. Spread it on warm toast, swirl it into yogurt, use it as a topping for pancakes or waffles, or even pair it with cheese for a sweet and savory treat. And there you have it, a fresh, homemade strawberry jam that's bursting with flavor. Once you try this recipe, you'll realize how easy and rewarding it is to make your own spreads from scratch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out my other videos for more simple, delicious, and homemade recipes you can try in your own kitchen. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever made jam at home before? Or do you have your own twist on this recipe? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tasty recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.